guys, I'm Amy, and you've landed on Belle Loves Bargains. That's my cow Effingham, and sometimes he co-hosts with me. He's got a lot to say. This channel is Dollar Tree, and only Dollar Tree. And why? Because everything at the Dollar Tree is $1.25, people. So stick around, consider subscribing, and don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. And if you want to know more about the 4 uploads I do every week, just check out the description box for more information. Enjoy! Have a holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Oh, ho, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Hi guys, welcome to Belle's Bargains. My name is Amy Effingham. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Oh, your bells. Okay. Hey guys, welcome. Today is day number 13 of 25 straight days of Christmas, which means I have made it to the middle of my 25 days. So I only have 12 days left after this, because I will even bring you a video on Christmas. Right, Effingham? I know. Every day we're making a video. It's crazy. Yes, it is. I did it last year. Why did I do it again this year? I don't know. Anyway, and it's cold in Arizona, you guys, I don't know if there'll be snow, but this morning I was like, okay, I think snow is coming at any minute. Well, cold for us in Arizona is a lot different for most of you, not most of you, but some of you in the country. And Iowa, so I know what snow is, but you acclimate, right? So it's so cold. I think it was like in the late 50s, in the early 50s all day here in Arizona, which is super cold. So I wore a beanie all day, and I was like, I got a beanie out this morning. I was like, Marcus, we got to do a beanies and robe show. So we are. He's aware it's on the radar. So we're getting to it. It's just such a busy time of year for us, you guys. Literally 10, 11, 12-hour days every day. I worked 6 days last week. And so it just gets really hard to squeeze in a come home and make food and do a video. All right, but can I show you what I made today? Because it's so easy and it's really primitive. Is it farmhouse or is it just really country? See, I have this thing. I think farmhouse is country and country is farmhouse. When my kids were little, back in the 80s, it was like country was the style. Oh, my house is really country, and everything was pink and blue. Do you guys remember? And now they call it farmhouse, and we use grays and green. It's like that seafoam green or that green they're all using. Anyway, and grays and black and whites and buffalo checks. But it's still the same thing. It's still country. It's just different color schemes, but I feel like it's exactly the same stuff. So I feel like this is totally primitive. I guess I would say primitive farmhouse. So, but it's so cute and it was so easy. And it's not a sign. It's what I would call a lean-to. And I absolutely made this for my kitchen window. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are you guys ready? Effingham, are you ready? Oh, wait, before we get started, I forgot to tell, if you're new here and you're just tuning into this channel, don't forget, besties, don't forget to give me that thumbs up right now and leave a comment. All right, but if you're new, you should know this channel is Dollar Tree, and I know, and only Dollar Tree. And why? Effingham's gonna tell you, because everything at the Dollar Tree is $1.25, and it's the only store I shop at, which means everything that you watch me make is from supplies that I've gotten at the Dollar Tree. By the way, right now, everything around me smells so good because I made a craft with cinnamon sticks. Look at how cute, you guys. All right, let's talk about this. First of all, it's one of the wood planks that they have at the Dollar Trees right now. And I used, well, I got into 2 packages of cinnamon. I really could have done just this with 1, but I got into the 2 because I did make a second project with the cinnamon sticks partials afterwards. Okay, so this is just a wood plank, and I cut my cinnamon sticks to make my tree, and then I put a star on the very top of it. But do you see this little detail right here? This is so cute. Do you know what those are? Tops of pine cones. And they look like little roses. I hope you guys can totally see this in this light. Oh, the bright lights. Anyway, they look like little flowers on there, which I just think added this super cute element to the whole thing. It's the little tiny details. Now, the only thing I might do different is I'm not sure I would go with a gold star. All right, that's what I did. I think I actually might just go with a plain wood star in hindsight. So do it, if you do it how you want. But I'm gonna lean this in my kitchen window because you know what's gonna happen because I live in Arizona. Well, we get sun everywhere. The sun's gonna hit it and warm up that those cinnamon sticks and give me a smell of cinnamon in my kitchen. Electricity free and no candles. So that's what I made it for. I think it's super cute. It does smell amazing, like super, super smelly good. And then what I did was I took all the leftover cinnamon stick parts, and I made myself a cinnamon smell good candle. But I want to talk about this. It is a larger, one of the little, they sell this jar, glass vase thing, I don't know what you would call it, at the Dollar Tree. And then I put another candle that I got at the Dollar Tree, a smaller one, inside, and then filled in the gap between the 2 with cinnamon sticks. Number 1, super safe, right? So not that a cinnamon stick is gonna catch on fire, but okay. And so it keeps it around there, and the smaller candle will melt faster, releasing my cinnamon scent sooner than if I had done it on a bigger candle. And then I just took 4 little Christmas trees and put them around the outside just to give it, again, quick little Christmas, but you could take these off and use it any other season. Do you want to see how I made them? It's so easy. Hold on. I have a wood plank, which I was using to nail nails into one of my projects. So I'm going to use it though. And I have some cinnamon sticks. So I'm going to make a smell good craft. And I'm going to use my new bench top cutoff saw here. And probably one of these stars. Anyway, all right. So we're going to make a Christmas tree on this. That's like a lean-to, and it's going to smell good. And if you put it in a sunny window, you'll get cinnamon in your kitchen. So super easy. And then if we have leftover, we're going to make cinnamon around a candle for another smell good. So cinnamon sticks from the Dollar Tree, a wood plank, and just some cute, easy decoration. This is super easy. I just lined these all up at my angle, so then I was going to be able to tell where to cut them. I had to get into the second package there, which was fine. I assumed I would have to. And then also I'm trying to pick like the fatter ones to the thinner ones. I want them thinner up on top. And then just like make a little pencil mark, use my new little table saw thing and cut those down. This one was pretty thick, so it took like 2 cuts. Also, I'm still learning how to use this thing. Not that it's super difficult, but anyway, and then I just go on up the tree and get them all the length that I want them to be to have this Christmas tree shape. Pretty simple. And I save, of course, all my leftover pieces. Now that I have them all cut, I'm going to glue them down. So I'm going to use wood glue and hot glue because quick hold and then the longer lasting hold. And that's it. I'm going to glue those all the way up. So, hey, by the way, if you're watching right now, you're still here. Write cinnamon in the comments and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. All right, so this is really a simple project, but it's like super cute. And like I said already, lean it in a window, sun will shine on it and it'll release the scent into your home. I'm going to put it in my kitchen window. Anyway, the only thing, like I said, I think I already said this probably in the intro,
because I'm doing this before I do my intro, is that I probably would have not have used a gold star. I might have used just a natural one. Maybe flip that star over and just use the natural side, but do whatever you want. Okay, so go all the way to the top there, put my star on. I take the sticky thing off the back because I decide I'm going to place this on the very top rung of my little Christmas tree. And then start playing with some pine cones. I tried a jute bow, and I suppose at the base there, maybe not too bad, but I decided not to do it. So now pine cones, and cutting off the little floret part of it, the very top. And I need some better like garden clippers because these are horrible. So watch me fight to clip all these off. But it is perfect, and it looks so cute. Like this is just what I think made the project was these little things. So watch, I'm going to show you what they look like close up here. So cutting one off. And just the very top of your pine cone. Be very careful with your fingers because obviously I'm holding both sides of that pine cone. Don't want to cut your finger. Look, it's like a little flower. So cute. And so I cut, I think like 15 or so of them. 13, 14, 15, something like that. And place them all over. The smaller ones I'm putting to the top of the tree. The bigger ones down on the bottom. Just like with the cinnamon sticks. And then just gluing them down. These I just used a little tiny bit of hot glue. And I have glue strings like everywhere right now, like everywhere, because I'm just, you know, gluing, putting it down, gluing, putting it down. And I decided I had a couple of spots where maybe I needed something else. And so I cut and just placed, I think, 2 more little ones down, or 1 little one, 1 big one. Anyway, and now I'm taking my hot glue gun because I've heard that this works. Guess what? It does! Not my hot glue gun, my heat gun. So I just ran that over it a little bit and it melts away your glue strings. So cool, like that, now that I have one. And then that's done. So now I tried this one candle, that didn't work. So now I took a smaller candle, put it inside of a larger glass vase, which is really a great idea because it's going to hold it all in there. And as that little candle will burn faster, so you're going to warm up that cinnamon faster. And then I didn't want them to stick out above the outer vase, so I was cutting them down and using the smaller pieces to fill in there. And anyway, it's totally kind of rugged, and I like that. I think it's perfect. So after I get them all in there, and I'm happy with that, I just took some natural wood Christmas tree sticker things and put them on the outside of it just to add a little Christmas decoration to it. Now here's the thing, you don't have to do that, and you could use this just all through fall. This would be great for fall as well and winter, so anytime you want cozy smells in the house. Okay, I hope you guys like these ones. That was number 13. So please let me know down below in the comments if you love these. I think they're super, super primitive and cute farmhouse.
Easy. So easy. Like, easy, 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 easy. Like, it's so easy, I'm almost embarrassed to say I made it. Like it's not really a craft. It's like I don't know, but it's easy. So also really fun project to do with like kids. It's just to get cinnamon sticks and they can make, you know, their own Christmas tree on their own little wood plank and take it home for their room and make their room smell like Christmas, right? So I just think this is super cute. Anyway, I hope you guys like it too. Let me know what you think. It's a cinnamon day. There's not a cinnamon song though. There's just not. Okay, so that was it. That's what I made for you, and it smells so good. It's really funny because it's getting down. I've had it lit now for a little while, and so the glass, I can feel like the glass is warm and it's hitting the cinnamon, and it's so interesting, but it's releasing that smell. So, and I'm going to put my lean-to in my kitchen window. All right, guys, that's it. So that was day number 13. I will see you back here tomorrow for day number 14 of my 25 straight days of Christmas. I hope you guys are super enjoying this. I'm having a whole lot of fun. I'm also throwing in challenges this month because all of next year, all of 2023, I will be doing challenges. That's like my goal, is just to do challenge after challenge after challenge, just to get that exposure out there and to really push myself artistically. Okay, Effingham, say goodbye, besties. All right, goodbye, Effingham. Everybody, have a great day, great week, a great life. And as always, from your singing crafty crafter, have a holly jolly hunting time at your Dollar Tree, right? Happy hunting at your local Dollar Tree, everybody. I'll see you back here tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.